Michael Joseph Hair Salon is the most exciting thing to open in this area in a really long time.
I don't think I can compare to a salon in New York or LA. I think they stand alone. They do a fabulous job.
My experience at Michael Joseph Hair Studio was great. The people are very friendly. They did great work, and I was very happy with my haircut.
My experience here at Michael Joseph Hair Studio is a very positive one. Every time I leave feeling and looking better than when I came in.
I would definitely recommend Michael Joseph Hair Studio to friends and family.
I'm very happy with the results. I have no complaints. They do a fabulous job.
The staff is a team. They've worked together so long. They're so friendly. They all get along with each other, which is very important. And they're very welcoming and very professional.
The staff at the salon was very friendly. They were all very nice. And they made me feel welcome.
They're very friendly. It's a very relaxed and easygoing atmosphere, but also very professional. It's a great time coming here. I love Michael Joseph Salon.
Michael colors my hair every 2 weeks. I need a touch-up. And then I come for blowouts about twice a week. So I'm in here a lot. I'm a real expert on the salon, and it's just the best.
I went to Louis for my haircut. He did a great job. He was very attentive and he listened to exactly what I wanted.
Renee colors my hair. She's extremely talented. She listens carefully to my requests. She takes her time. I'm always pleased with the results.
I'm Michael Joseph's chief ambassador. I tell everyone, it's just a wonderful place to be.